So guys, I had a major problem and I'm sort of mad with you all because I thought y'all would help me and nobody commented and tell me how to solve the problem. The birds that were eating up my crops, nobody tell me how to solve the problem. Not until I got my neighbor came over, God bless him, and I'm gonna give him some of the crops when it bear because me vex, you don't know. You understand? Look at the solution to solve the problem with the birds. Look at this easy solution. All you had to do was hang a couple CDs over where the crops lie, and the reflection would have made the bird them run because they don't like the reflection. See? Look at this. All I had to do was hang some CDs over it. So I get this one right here. It says spiritual warfare. Spiritual warfare. Because I war me and the bird them a war. You understand? War.